Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss a problem which came in RMO 1990, and the problem says that find the remainder when 2 to the power 1990 is divided by 1990. So you see that the same number which is in the power, so we have to divide by that same number and find out the remainder. So your first hint would be to consider the factorization of 1990, which is 199 times 10, which is where 199 is a prime number. And since we have a prime number, so your hint 2 would be to use the Fermat's theorem. So pause this video for some time, try it out on your own, and then look at the solution. Okay, now let's see the solution. So as I said that we have to use the Fermat's theorem, and so if you use the Fermat's theorem with the prime number 199, so you are going to get 2 to the power 199 minus 1 is congruent to 1 modulo 199, right? And that's 198 congruent to 1 modulo 199. Now the question is, we have 2 to the power 198. How do we reach 2 to the power 1990? So if you just divide 1990 by 198, so it's 198 times 10 plus 10. Okay. So what we can do is we can raise both the sides to the power 10 to reach 2 to the power 1980. And if we take the power of 1 to the power of 10, so that's basically 1 modulo 199. And now you see we have a shortage of 2 to the power 10 to reach 2 to the power 1990. So what we do is we just simply multiply 2 to the power 10 on both the sides. So we reach here 2 to the power 1990, and on that side it's 2 to the power 10, because we are just multiplying 2 to the power 10 on both the sides. Where 2 to the power 10 is 1024, and we can easily divide it by 199 and find out the remainder. But I want to keep it here because the next thing is that I have 1990 equals to 199 times 10. Okay, so I have to divide by this and also divide by 10 and find out the remainder. So if you notice one thing, that the powers of 2, they repeat the last digit. How? Because if you see 2 to the power 1, last digit is 2, 2 square, last digit is 4, 2 cube, last digit is 8, 2 to the power 4, last digit is 16. Now if you multiply 2 with this, last digit 6, again you are going to get the last digit to be 2. And if the last digit is 2 of a number and you are just multiplying it with 2, you are going to get the last digit to be 4. And so the powers of 2, their last digit repeats under modulo 4. Now if you simply look at 2 to the power 10, what is the last digit of 2 to the power 10? Now if you simply divide 10 by 4, so you are going to get the remainder as 2. And so the last digit will be 1, 2, so 4. Okay, it will go 4, 4 and then 2, right? And so the last digit of 2 to the power 10 is 4. And again, if you want to know what's the last digit of 2 to the power 1990, so that's basically, if you just divide 1990 by 4, so you'll get remainder 2. Just check out this calculation on your own. And so again we can say that it will, the last digit of 2 to the power 1990, since 1990 is giving a remainder of 2 when divided by 4, so the last digit will be 4 again. Okay, and so the last digit of 2 to the power 1990 is 4, as well as 2 to the power 10 is 4. So we finally get that 2 to the power 1990 is congruent to 4 modulo 10, as well as 2 to the power 10 is congruent to 4 modulo 10. And now if you just simply subtract these two equations, so we are going to get 2 to the power 1990 minus 2 to the power 10 is congruent to 0 modulo 10. And from here, what do we get? 2 to the power 1990 minus 2 to the power 10. So if I just take 2 to the power 10 on this side, so again this is also congruent to 0 modulo 199. And now 199 and 10, their GCD is 1. And so 199 divides this number as well as 10 divides this number, and their GCD is 1. So what can we say from there? So what we can say is that this number 2 to the power 1990 minus 2 to the power 10 is congruent to 0 modulo 1990. And so from here it implies that 2 to the power 1990 is congruent to 2 to the power 10 modulo 1990. And now you see that 2 to the power 10 is 1024, which is lesser than 1990. So we don't have to further calculate out the remainder. We have got a number which is lesser than 1990. And so that's the remainder. And that's the solution. Thank you for watching.